Whenever someone is expressing their self, never tell that person to shut up. Never say to that person, you chat too much, because you do not know what that person is going through. You do not know the pain that that person is feeling. You do not know the stress, the anger, the pain, the suffering, and all these things that's stored inside of that person, that person is trying to relieve and let go of. Never become a part of someone's demise unawarely. So whenever time someone is expressing their self, it's best to observe that person and to see how you maybe can give a lending hand. Wola medze. Be good. Right, so. Shocking Morris said that.